The ultimate 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. Power, luxury and adventure on wheels. The 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is more than just a truck, it's a statement. A perfect blend of power, luxury, and advanced technology, it redefines the way travelers experience the open road. Built on Kenworth's legendary W900 platform, this motorhome offers a bold, long-nosed design with modern refinements that make it more aerodynamic and efficient. Whether you're a long-haul trucker, a full-time traveler, or simply someone who craves the thrill of the open road, the Kenworth W900 Motorhome is the ultimate road companion. At first glance, the W900's exterior is nothing short of breathtaking. It retains its iconic big rig styling, complete with a massive chrome grille, dual exhaust stacks, and custom LED headlights. The truck's deep metallic paint and stainless steel accents give it a striking presence on the highway. But this isn't just about looks, it's built for performance. Under the hood, you'll find the Cummins X15 engine, delivering 565 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. Whether you're climbing steep mountain roads or cruising down long highways, this powerhouse ensures unmatched performance and reliability. Paired with an 18-speed manual transmission, it offers complete control over every gear shift, making it the perfect choice for enthusiasts who love the feel of a classic rig. Stepping inside the Kenworth W900 Motorhome is like entering a private luxury suite on wheels. The 156-inch RE Legacy 2 RDF SUC sleeper cabin is designed for maximum comfort, featuring premium wood cabinetry, plush leather seating, and ambient LED lighting that sets the perfect mood. The fully equipped kitchen includes a microwave convection oven, induction cooktop, and a full-sized refrigerator, allowing travelers to prepare gourmet meals on the go. And for those long, relaxing evenings, a state-of-the-art entertainment system with surround sound, an in-motion satellite TV system, and high-speed Wi-Fi connectivity ensures you're always connected and entertained. For rest and relaxation, the spacious sleeping area is fitted with a premium memory foam mattress that guarantees a restful night's sleep. The climate-controlled environment, privacy shades, and ample wardrobe space make it easy to feel at home, no matter where the road takes you. The W900 Motorhome even comes with a fully functional bathroom, complete with a ceramic toilet, stand-up shower, and vanity mirror, making it perfect for extended trips. But this luxury isn't just limited to the interior, it extends to how the W900 performs on the road. Featuring Kenworth's advanced adaptive cruise control, the truck adjusts its speed based on traffic, ensuring a smooth and stress-free drive. The collision mitigation system adds an extra layer of safety with radar-based forward collision warnings and lane departure alerts. The 5-bag air ride system keeps the ride stable, while the 7.5 kilowatts Onan quiet diesel generator provides off-grid power, allowing travelers to camp in remote locations without sacrificing comfort. One of the biggest appeals of the W900 Motorhome is its customization options. Owners can personalize their trucks with custom paint jobs, high-end interior finishes, and technology upgrades. Whether you want extra storage, upgraded appliances, or advanced navigation systems, the Kenworth W900 can be tailored to fit your unique lifestyle. Beyond the specifications and features, what truly makes this motorhome special is the lifestyle it offers. We spoke to real W900 owners who have traveled across the country in their custom rigs, experiencing breathtaking landscapes, remote hideaways, and the freedom of life on the road. One owner described it best: "This truck is my home, my office, and my escape. Whether I'm parked by the ocean or in the middle of the mountains, I have everything I need right here." Kenworth has also packed this truck with cutting-edge technology to make life on the road smarter and safer. The interactive digital dashboard offers real-time GPS navigation, voice-activated controls, and live traffic updates to ensure smooth travel. Remote monitoring and security systems allow owners to control climate settings, lock doors, and check cameras via a smartphone app. And with smart lane